Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog, another week, another vlog. Oh my god. Basically is hafte again, orders ongoing. This has become a part of my life. We are looking to sort it out. Honestly, it's been a challenge hiring people and making sure that they do quality, top-notch job. It's tough, but is hafte plan hai aur safai. I want to clean out my closet and I want to do like both of them, but I don't know कि कितना मैं एक दिन में कर पाऊंगी because I do want to also film a few videos. So let's see. I'm aiming for 2 videos आज के दिन की. Let's see. और क्या चल रहा है मेरी लाइफ में? Honestly, और ज़्यादा इतना कुछ चल नहीं रहा है. I'm gonna go get my hair done tomorrow, so that would be exciting. And I really want to go try this new place called Siroc. Basically, मैंने इसकी pictures देखी थी online, this restaurant, and hopefully during this week we'll be able to go and dine out for a bit. So that's the plan. Let's get cracked, guys. A lot of people have ordered pairs, which makes me so incredibly happy because they do work best as a pair. I love to alternate between the two of them. और कभी किसी का मूड होता है, कभी किसी का होता है. So like, I'm really glad that you guys are ordering pairs. Okay, sorted. These are gonna go back to mom's because that's where they came from. These are gonna go to charity. Those are going in the winter closet because no space. And they are winter stuff. That's winter stuff. So I have a lot of t-shirts. I feel like I'm gonna have to crack down on the t-shirts. Okay, so I'm currently sorting this out. मैंने अभी recently ही बहुत बड़ा massive crackdown किया था, but I feel like we can do another one. So I've only taken out these so far. ये थोड़े सर्दियों के कपड़े हैं, so I'm gonna remove those. Donate. This goes in another closet. These I'm keeping, but the thing is, shelf एक ही है घर में पहनने के कपड़ों का, so we might have to cut more down. Right, here we go. Night suits, shalwar kameez, t-shirts, trousers, and more t-shirts. And I think that should be more than enough for घर के कपड़े. Go back to mom's. Charity. Winter. You ready to see the final look? There we go. Okay, now the thing is कि अभी भी चीज़ें ना एक दूसरे के ऊपर थोड़ी सी हैं. I've tried my best to make it as easy access as possible. बड़े bags जो हैं वो मैंने ऊपर रख दिए हैं. These are all my smaller bags. There's some sort of तरतीब, but I hope कि ये ऐसे ही रहे, which I highly doubt. Today, my badami korma, which I'm really good at. There we go. Washed the chicken. I hate doing that part, so I did that. And I also made the ginger paste right over there. I'm just waiting for the tail to get garam ताकि मैं इसमें चीज़ें डाल दूँ. And yeah, these badam, I think my parents got these for us for Eid, and I'm just using these. मैंने ये डाल दिए हैं. They are gonna boil because मैं बादामी कोरमा बनाना चाह रही हूँ, so I like doing that. I've crushed the onion. It was pretty messy. But yeah, I'm waiting for this to like give me a boil and like the meat to be a little tender, and then I'll include those. Added the onion. Now I think अब इसमें थोड़ी सी शक्ल निकलनी चाहिए. I'm gonna leave it for another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna add the badam. Guys, the korma is ready. I added the onion और थोड़ा सा मैंने और मसाला डाला, and it is literally the yummiest korma ever. I had it with bread just to check its taste, and it was so good. So success. I'm finally going for my hair appointment. Lol, I couldn't even finish my lunch. There was so much happening. Like एक call, उसके बाद दूसरी call, then क्या कहते हैं? Damn. I am just emailing the sheet जो कि कल रात हमने update की थी, and my laptop just suddenly decided to die. तो अब I'm waiting for it to turn on so that I can email the sheet and I can leave. Basically, जब आपको लेट होना होता है ना, तो बस आप हर चीज़ आपके like against move करती है. But I want to show you my outfit. Probably we'll go out for dinner today because we haven't gone out for so long for my birthday dinner. Last time to birthday dinner tha, our friends came with us, so it was like not really a birthday dinner date, so we wanted to do a birthday dinner date. So probably we'll go today, hopefully, if we have. Is that lipstick on my teeth? Yes. Okay, so this is my outfit today. मैंने outfitter से लिया था this khaki 2-piece. It's so loose and it's so airy. I love it, and I'm pairing it with this bag right here, जो कि मुझे I think नुमान की फूफो ने दिया था when we got married. And this is from Aldo, so that's a lovely little bag right there. Hi, I'm on my front cam. This is the toning. The brassiness is gone. We've gone for a shade darker, so it's more brown blonde. And now I'm just waiting for the haircut. I'm going for curtain bangs. I'm so excited. Guys, we're at Sirop. मैंने अपने बाल बनवा लिए हैं. This is the new look. I got some curtain bangs और yeah, that's it. और थोड़ी सी face framing layers कराई हैं. The length is pretty much the same. I think थोड़े से dead ends जो थे वो we had to remove. So maybe like half an inch was chopped. I like the look. No, do you like the look? You don't like it? Huh?
Just the look.
You don't like my lipstick?
Are we talking about your look?
Yeah, my look.
I thought we were talking about the restaurant.
No. Numan is not happy about the restaurant we've come. उस दिन full vibe अच्छा लग रहा आना था, और आज इनका
मुझे उस दिन भी नहीं आना.
अच्छा. Actually thing is कि हम अमान के बाद हम like properly come out on a dinner date, and हम वहाँ पे Mediterranean खा रहे थे, and Sirop is also a Mediterranean restaurant, so Numan's not very happy about that. But you are going to Big Tree House soon, so you'll have some And you also had jinsoy dopeher mein over.
So seriously.
And you had like what did you have yesterday?
No, KFC.
वैलिड नहीं है आपका रीज़न, मुझे वेजिटेरियन नहीं खाना, बहुत खा लिया आपने बाहर का खाना. और you had a steak when we went to Koil.
Such a lame steak. I want like a proper steak in a
So
steak
next time
house.
we'll go to a proper steakhouse. How about that? You want to go to Jason's Steakhouse again?
I won't go there and the roofs over there are full.
Yeah. So basically, I like the interior of this place. It's very like Santorini.
Feels like I'm wearing such a huge cap.
Yeah, it's like maybe we could be on vacation somewhere in Santorini. And they've got the tiled flooring. I like
Would
that.
be really good if I could just like open the window and see like beaches outside.
Yeah,
But
that
I know I can see my office from here, so
Yeah.
that's not a very good thing.
yeah. So let's maybe not open the window. But I like the cozy corner we're in. Guys, they've given us something like this, and uske sath kuch diya nahi hai, so I'm not really sure how to eat that yet. But we're waiting for something to arrive that we can eat that with. Guys, our food is here. This is my laham something. This is kapsa, and that is also some beef that we've got. Exciting! It looks yum. Hello everyone. What's up with my camera? मैंने ये vlog definitely शुरू किया है. Okay, so basically today I went to meet some Reem. We had like a girls' day in such a long time, और हमने बहुत like girly बातें की, chats की. Now I am at my parents. I didn't vlog any of that, but मैं literally 2 मिनट के लिए किचन में गई थी क्योंकि मम्मा बिरयानी बनानी है, and I have come out looking like a greasy old mess. It is so freaking hot. I feel like कि अब किचन्स में ना AC होना ज़रूरी है, वरना तो बस सीन ऑफ है because it's so hot. Like I don't remember it being so hot पहले. It's just recent times everything's just been boiling. So global warming, what's up? But we have this very exciting package from Mangota, and oh, I went to Studio 9 to get my nails done. Look at this color. In cherishing the mango season, I got yellow nails. On my feet, ooh, focus, I got some red nails. So yeah, we have some yummy mangoes. Or a shirt to piece hai. Oh, this is a really pretty outfit. I can't wait to show you guys. So we're gonna take some pics in that. Thank you guys. We have biryani for dinner. Yummy. Look at that. Oh my god. Guys, I'm giving mums my hair scalp treatments. Let's check. Okay, now you can just slide it out now, I think.
Okay.
ये मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
This
is the preppy peppermint. Say it.
by AnushaeSays.
Yeah, open it from the back. Undo the. Yes.
And this is the bottle. I know.
Cute.
It's real peppery peppermint. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है.
अच्छा, ये तो बड़ी ज़बरदस्त है. ये हमें नहीं पता था कि ऐसी वाली बोतल है.
ये डायरेक्ट स्कैल्प में जाएगी.
यार क्या बात है.
Yes. That's the whole thing.
नहीं, ये पैकिंग शैकिंग तो बड़ी इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड की है.
Thank you.
ये अभी सही चिपके नहीं है शायद. ये
नहीं बिल्कुल सही चिपके. अब आप उसको बहुत ही ऑडिट की नज़र से देखेंगे.
हाँ, ऑडिट की नज़र से देख रहे हैं.
डैडी को भी, डैडी और नुमान को QC में रखें.
ये देखें.
या आप पूरी रात भी लगा सकती हैं, और यू कैन कीप इट फॉर 15 to 20 minutes.
शीशा पी रहे हैं.
Is the lavender.
Lavender infusion. पैकेजिंग सारी मैंने की.
दोबारा से सारी.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश.
वाओ, ये तो दूर से इतनी खुशबू दे रहा है.
लाइक दिस एग्जैक्टली. देयर वी गो.
जबरदस्त.
तो इसको भी ऐसे. तो बेसिकली ये जो है, ये अगर आपको बाल अपने शाइनी करने और फ्रिज उसमें आ रहा है तो आपने ना ये इस्तेमाल करें. जैसे आपने किसी दिन स्टाइल किए हैं तो अगले दिन आप इससे वॉश करें तो आपके बाल बिल्कुल ड्राई नहीं होंगे, बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट सिल्की रहेंगे.
और स्ट्रेट भी रहेंगे.
हाँ, स्ट्रेट भी रहेंगे. और इससे आपकी हेयर रीग्रोथ है, कुछ ड्राइनेस है, इचीनेस है, तो ये करें. हेयर रीग्रोथ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Guys, we're at Shanghai Social today, and those crispy California rolls look so freaking good. Oh my god. Guys, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. सवाल मुझे भी आता है कि कैसे आप लोग मेरा स्कैल्प ट्रीटमेंट ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, एंड you can order it by messaging us on WhatsApp. I'm gonna leave the details below. I think we might have to increase the delivery costs because जो हम लोगों को नई शीट आई है हमारी डिलीवरी कंपनी से, they have obviously increased the costs because obviously fuel price जो है वो अब छतें फाड़ चुकी है. तो they're charging us more, so we have to pass through that delivery cost. तो वो मैं अनाउंस सब करूँगी when the time is right and we feel कि we cannot operate on the delivery cost that we're currently operating on. So yeah, I hope you guys will understand that. Now I will see you soon in my next week's vlog.